I got this great tech bulletin from Four Seasons in regards to AC compressor replacement and the front seal. The front seal is critical on most compressors to make sure that the internal oil stays inside the compressor and lubricates the compressor during maybe 100,000 or maybe even 200,000 miles. But there are two steps that you need to follow when you install a brand new compressor. Step number one, take the compressor, put it on its nose. This way the oil can make its way to the seal and the shaft, so when the compressor first starts to turn, the oil is there and you will not damage the seal permanently. Once the compressor is on the vehicle, turn the compressor over 10 to 15 times to make sure that there's oil around the seal completely. These two very simple procedures do two things. First of all, they make sure that the shaft is sealed, and it helps to remove some of the oil off some of the reed valves and other things in the back of the compressor. And after you pull that compressor out of the box, you may notice a little bit of oil residue around the shaft seal. This is absolutely normal. Typically, this lubricant is there to lubricate the seal, and it was put there during the remanufacturing or manufacturing process. This lubrication helps to protect the seal during the run-in process, and also during certain procedures, it could prevent damage to the seal itself. Another thing to keep in mind with a leaky shaft seal, in some cases, a brand new compressor, well, it needs pressure inside to get that seal to help move and push the lips onto the shaft itself. So the next time you have to install a compressor, take it for about a minute, put it on its nose to redistribute the oil, also put some oil on the shaft seal, and then lay it down and move the clutch around 10 to 15 times to make sure the oil is properly distributed inside the compressor. This way, when the vehicle does start up and the AC is started, well, it's going to run for a very long time and there's going to be no leaks. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.